I've been wanting to get back into making some hats, and I've made a few, so I thought I'd experiment with a few other techniques making hats. This one came together pretty nicely. I glued it together, although I think I should finish the brim with something, maybe trim it with something. Kind of how this hat is with the thread that I trimmed it with. I think it looks nice. This hat turned out pretty nicely, although the glue on top of it kind of got messy. But I kind of like the look of it. I think it really goes with Darren's outfit. This might be his new hat for a while. The leather is referred to as ostrich or ostrich leather, although it's cowhide. It's just stamped in the version of ostrich. This hat I pinned up on one side. I think I should have finished the edge on it. I think it would have looked better. I also added a little brass stud and stuck one of my Brass Eagle Adventure Team logos to it. I think it looks pretty cool. So I decided to experiment with this hat. There's a cowboy hat style called the 10-gallon hat, and I was trying to see what it would look like, and I'm not sure. What do you guys think? Do you like the 10-gallon hat? I dented it in a bit. I'm not sure if I like that though. I also added a brass star stud and a zebra headband. Let me know what you think. Here's another 10-gallon hat. This is in the style, my original style, the round style. And again, I'm not too sure about it. I think it'd look good on certain characters, maybe. Maybe a bad guy. I don't know. Let me know what you think. This is another round-styled hat. The glue got kind of messy up at the top. I like the cheetah headband. I thought it would turn out nice. I gotta find a way to finish up the brim. Although this one looks pretty clean, except for the glue on the crown of the hat. But that's not too bad. Now I'll show you a couple of my experimental hats, and you'll have to let me know what you think about them. Took one of my cowboy hat style hats and cut it down to make this baseball looking hat. I'm not sure about it. What do you think? I think it'd look nice if the edge was finished, maybe. And maybe even add a headband like the cheetah, something like that. Let me know what you think. Here's another style baseball cap that I used the cowboy hat pattern to make. I think I like this one better than the other one. Although I might put a headband on it, maybe it'd look better with a headband. This is the oval style hat pattern I've been using, and this is the round donut type style that hat I've been using. Well, that's all I have. Let me know what you think about the my new hats. Do you like the 10 gallons? Any suggestions? I'd appreciate it. And again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like button and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. I'd really appreciate it, and it really helps my channel out. Don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. I'll see you in the next video.